Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. This morning I found some banana lying around on the kitchen counter, which is overripe. Nobody wants to eat. So I decided to make some banana bread today. So please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for banana bread, I have here about half a cup of soft butter. So you just take it out from your fridge and leave it on the counter so until it gets softer. And I have 3/4 cup of sugar, white sugar. I'm gonna add it to the butter and then we're gonna blend it. So now I'm gonna add 2 raw egg, also room temperature. Make sure it's room temperature. And I have a vanilla extract. I'm gonna 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now we're gonna combine everything together. Now I have a flour, about 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add a little bit of 1 teaspoon of baking soda and pinch of salt. We're gonna combine everything. And then we're gonna add our bananas. So I have a 4 ripe banana. You can use 3 or 4. So we're gonna smash with the fork. So we're gonna add it to our mix. Just fold it in. So our mix is ready to go into the pan. So this is the mold I'm gonna use for our banana bread. I'm gonna add some butter to just grease it up so it will prevent them to stick it in the bottom. So nicely grease it up, all corners. Just like this, and just a little bit of flour. Just a sprinkle in the bottom and side, so help. Just like this, all around, and then excess flour you can throw it out. Pan is ready. So now I'm gonna add our mix. So I have some almond and walnut, some raisin. About a cup of it, all mixed together. So I'm gonna add it to our mix. It's optional. If you like nuts and raisin, you can add it. Otherwise, leave it out. So now we're gonna put our mix into our mold, which is earlier we ready. So make sure not to full, otherwise it's gonna overflow because it's gonna rise. So it's ready to go into the oven. So our oven is ready. It's preheated, set for 350 degrees. So I'm gonna set the timer for 1 hour, and I will check after like 50 minutes. So how is it looking? So our banana bread is out of the oven. Look amazing. So I'm gonna let it cool it down. Then we're gonna remove it from the mold and we're gonna do some presentation. Stay tuned. Look amazing. Look at this, guys. So our banana bread is still a little warm, but it's cool it down a little bit. So I'm gonna slice it and we're gonna do some presentation. So I'm gonna take a first slice. Hopefully it's good. Voila, look amazing. You guys can see. Beautiful, nice and moist. So I'm gonna do a few slices of that. Still fresh. See, still steam coming out from it. It's not completely ready yet, but I'm gonna do some presentation anyway. When it's completely cooled down, it'll look amazing. So you guys can see. I'm gonna do some icing sugar just to give little snowy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing, taste amazing. Whenever you have any overripe banana at home and nobody wants to use it, so please try this recipe. It's pretty easy to make and very quick recipe, and it tastes delicious. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our videos, please consider subscribe our channel, and I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.